Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a picture look washed out using GIMP. So I've got GIMP open here, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up my image. So File, Open, and this is underneath my recently used. I can select this image here. And this is just something that I took while we were driving along the road, but you'll notice it was from the passenger seat. I wasn't taking photos while I was driving. Very important safety message. What we want to do to make this look washed out is come up to Colors and Hue and Saturation. And the first thing we want to do is drop the saturation down a lot. And this kind of makes it look black and white-ish. You can add a little color back in. But you'll notice that the road is still really dark and the car is still really dark. And this is because I've previously edited the photo, made it look really kind of dynamic and cinematic, and so the blacks are what they call crushed. They're closer to true black. This really doesn't look washed out, it just looks black and white because it's keeping the value of the color that it had before. To change that, make it look a little more washed out, Hue and Saturation actually has this really cool lightness slider. So if we begin increasing the lightness, now we're starting to get a more washed out look to it. And you can see there's a little bit of distortion happening with the blues here and a little bit with the green. So we can bring the saturation down a little bit more and try to work that out a little, make it less noticeable. All right, that looks pretty good. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to get an image to look washed out in GIMP. I'm Josiah Ray.